Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Coopers Plains. Our phone number is 0738481382, and today we have a 2012 Nissan Z51 Murano ST, stock reference number 3919. This shape runs from the 12th month 2008 through to the 12th month 2014. It has a VQ35 V6 petrol engine backed by an automatic all-wheel drive transmission. VQ35 3.5 litre V6 petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage on the right hand side. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, chrome radiator grille, tidy front bumper cover, right hand xenon headlight, right hand fog light, left hand fog light, left hand xenon headlight, left guard appears to have no damage. This vehicle is fitted with factory 18-inch alloy mags. The left front has an average tyre, left power door mirror, both left hand doors appear to have no damage. Left rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with an average tyre. Left tail light, left tailgate garnish. Tailgate appears to have no damage. Factory fitted tow bar supplied with all bolts, brackets and loom. Right hand tailgate garnish, right hand tail light. Right rear, 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right power door mirror. And a right front 18-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, factory single stack CD player, interior mirror, left sun visor, courtesy lamp, sunglass holder type, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and second row headrests and seat. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.